Hi friends, welcome to Rouse Rising. I'm Katie. I have a big grocery haul for you. So finally felt well enough to get to the grocery store, got some much needed staples, fresh produce, things like that. I'm planning on making some pasta salads and some just fresh stuff. And we've been drinking a lot of lime and lemonade from fresh squeezed lemons and limes. So got some more of those, but I'm gonna share with you everything that I got, my meal prep ideas for the week, what we're gonna be making, and let's check out what we got. Okay, we got some things to stuff the kids' bellies and make it a little bit easier in the mornings and for snacks and things like that. So you're gonna see some of that just to keep me and Dad off our feet a little bit so we can chill. So back here, I don't normally get these types of spreads, and if I do, sometimes I'll make them at home because I have the stuff to make it. But I just went ahead and grabbed the Garden Vegetable Philadelphia cream cheese spread, and the kids can put that on these sourdough English muffins, as well as the strawberry and the original, so they can toast those up and have a snack or a partial breakfast or first breakfast, that kind of thing. Big old gallon of milk. And then for dairy, I got some fresh mozzarella. Figure it's summertime and the farmer's market, and tomatoes and pasta salads and all the yummy good things that the kids might like, some fresh mozzarella. And then we've got the string cheese, of course, because we take that out of the house, pack it in errands or the kids' golf bags and things like that, so they can have a protein snack out and about. 3 of these packs of sourdough English muffins. Just not going to be making them from scratch for a week or 2 or 3 or maybe more. Who knows? We'll see. And then Hagen's been making these really awesome. She made blueberry lemon scones the other day, and we need some cream fresh for him. So grabbed some cream fresh. She's going to make blueberry lemon scones again tomorrow. And I had a little taste of them. I can't eat very much of that, but I had a little taste and it was so good. So it's going to be really good with some cream fresh on it and some jam, or just plain with cream fresh. That'll be yummy. We're making some pasta salad. I'm going to make like a Greek pasta salad. So I grabbed this feta chunk, and I also want it on salads. And then I grabbed the already crumbled traditional reduced fat feta. Maybe I can have a little bit of that in one of the pasta salads. We'll see how we tolerate it. And then I'm usually dairy free unless it's goat cheese or like sheep's cheese or whatever. I'm not sure what kind of milk they're using in there. Did I even look? It just says contains milk. Doesn't say what kind, so assume it's cow's milk. But at the moment, I am neither gluten nor dairy free. I've just been trying to consume whatever I can consume that doesn't hurt me. And really, I'm not eating dairy yet. But I'm going to try some feta in the pasta salad because I love Greek pasta salad, and I will eat the feta in the pasta salad. All right, that's what we have there. We needed to get some butter. We have some butter that we got from Azure. I do like to stock up from time to time, but we are running real low on butter. So I went ahead and grabbed 3 packs of the sea salted extra creamy butter, and then 2 packs of the unsalted creamy butter, extra creamy butter. And Miss Hagen is baking daily now. She's loving it so much, baking daily. So we are just going to keep her stocked up on baking supplies so she can keep learning how to bake and having fun doing that and making her and her siblings special yummy treats. Block of Tillamook medium cheddar cheese. And then we get these yogurt tubes and stick them in the freezer. And the kids have those as a snack on a hot summer day. And then some easy toasted cereal. One morning they'll have cereal for breakfast or for their first breakfast until I have the gumption to get up and make them like eggs and sausage and that kind of stuff. So we'll do cereal, and then we'll do like a brunch later on, or an early lunch, late breakfast. Grabbed some roasted sea salt cashews. They had these on a display, so I just grabbed them. It was like $12 for this 32-ounce bag. Might have been $14. I can't remember if they were on sale or not. But anyways, I just grabbed them because I thought some of the kids that can't have peanuts can have those roasted cashews. Because we have a party mix. I got a party mix from the grocery store a few months back, and we've cracked into it, and it has peanuts in it, so some of the kids can't have that. Not that they have like a deadly peanut allergy. It just kind of causes some histamine issues for some of the kids. White corn tortillas, we use these to make like little mini quesadillas, to make tortilla chips and things like that, so got those on hand. I plan to make some bean dishes coming up and lentils and things like that, and so like lentil tacos and things like that, so we can use those for those dinners. Garbanzo beans, quick and easy. I'm gonna make, what do you call it? It's the stuff I have brain fog it. What is it called? Hummus. Oh my goodness. Hummus. And I also got some tahini, but I used, and I still do, canned beans, but running low on beans and things like that, so I picked these garbanzo beans up from the store. Takes one step out of me having to cook those, and I can just throw those in the blender with the tahini and the lemon juice and olive oil and whatever else I want to put in there, and make some quick hummus, and I can put that on all of my food and get myself some extra protein in there. So I'm doing Mediterranean / like, I don't know, low fatty meat diet, low fat diet right now. So I'm not having any fun, and we're gonna enjoy the beans and things like that for the next month or so. All right, back here we've got some classic Caesar croutons for the girls' salad, and we got 2 cans of these sliced pickled beets. We really enjoy those. So we opened up a can the other week and I needed to replace it, so I just went ahead and replaced it ×2. We've got a big bag of limes and a big bag of lemons to make limeade, lemonade, all the summer drinks, because we went from winter, freezing nights, to now it's blazing hot summer, 199 and 90 degrees, whatever it was yesterday, 91 degrees. So we're making all the electrolyte drinks and smoothies and all that good stuff. Here we've got some bread. I did bake bread the other day. I keep saying I'm going to bake bread again, and I just haven't thrown, and it's a bread machine, y'all. I can do it, but I have to mill, and I have to just, it takes time. So kids, tomorrow we're going to a mountain biking event. So tomorrow I don't have time to bake bread before 8 in the morning. I'm not going to do it. So we've got these to make them deli meat sandwiches. Aaron has some deli meat from last week that he picked up, so we need to use that up, and we'll make them sandwiches. I got 6 packs of these sausage patties and sausage links. So there's 3 packs of sausage links, and 3 packs of the sausage patties. I also thought about just making up a whole bunch of these breakfast sandwiches with the sausage patties and with some cheese, and just getting it all together and assembled and wrapped up in foil for the kids so that they can have some easy breakfasts. Just trying to think ahead and give myself some easy stuff and meal prep ahead. So either way, they'll either use those for that, or they'll use that for that, or that for that, or whatever. 3 bags of potatoes. This bag exploded in the parking lot, and I lost a few potatoes. Picked them up and threw them back in the bag, but a couple got away underneath some cars I couldn't get to. Then I got a bag of little red potatoes and a little bag of golden potatoes. Yummy. We like to roast all of those. These I'll do in the Instant Pot, or these, I like to eat the sweet potatoes, and then I'll make the kids regular potatoes, and we'll do like twice baked potatoes or whatever. So do those in the Instant Pot, do these roasties in the oven, and that's really tasty. Over here we needed more carrots, we needed more cucumbers, we needed more sweet potatoes, we needed everything because we've been out of town and all the craziness of life. So grab some avocados, grabbed some garlic. We need lots of garlic. I'm cooking a lot of fresh stuff on the stove, and I like to throw garlic in all of that. And then back here we've got a tomato medley and some cherry tomatoes. Both of these are for pasta salads and things like that. They had apricots in season at the grocery store, so I grabbed 4 pounds total of apricots, and we'll see what we end up doing with those. I might tell Hagen to look up like an apricot tart or something and see what she can come up with, if we can turn any of these into dessert, or if we'll turn one of them into, like, maybe teach her how to make a jam or a jelly or something like that. And I say her, but really all of the kids are paying attention and observing and around, but she's the one who's really that big helper in the task. I grabbed myself a Mountain Valley sparkling water. I'm going to throw that in the fridge and get it cold. And then back here we've got pineapple chunks. cherry berry blend and 2 big 48-ounce bags of blueberries, and we just eat frozen fruit all the time in the summer, and we use them for smoothies. Grabbed another watermelon, of course, because it's summertime, watermelon season. All right, I didn't go through all of these things back here. We've got some sliced Kalamata olives for pasta salads. If you've never tried these are awesome if you like Brussels sprouts. Not everybody does, but I love them. So I grabbed 2 because they were on sale. They were like $4 each, which is still expensive. Yes, I should probably pickle my own Brussels sprouts, but I'm trying to grow some this year. We'll see what happens. 2 of those. 1 thing of olives, the manzanilla olives. I always try to stay stocked up on those because we do like charcuterie boards and things like that for the kids. We've got an Italian dressing. We've got a creamy Parmesan dressing. We have another Caesar dressing, the tahini to make the tahini stuff, hummus, supreme Italian. Got the kids some buffalo wings, and also we got oh, and I'll share it with you in this video actually. Produce Connection. I'm not sure if this cauliflower is any good. It's looking a little rough. But if I can salvage any of it, then we can make some buffalo cauliflower bites in the air fryer. And then this went bad really fast. I've just put this in water last night and it's already turned yellow. So I'm going to try to cook this up and saute it with some garlic and some, what do you call it? The pepper, not black pepper, but the red pepper flakes. Oh yeah, and then over here, I grabbed the kids. I thought we're not going out to eat or doing anything like that anytime soon. So I just grabbed them like some fun appetizers that we can throw them in for like a snack or whatever. So we're going to throw these in the freezer tonight. Just some quick and easy things. Maybe one morning they can throw these in the air fryer for breakfast. And then we got a big old thing of flour tortillas and to make breakfast burritos, egg burritos, whatever. Rice and bean burritos, all the things, that's what we got. We got all the things. So this is my weekly budget for groceries. If I was gonna buy groceries every week for my family, my budget would be $350, and that is about what I spent. Oh yeah, we also have a couple frozen pizzas that the kids needed to get into the freezer ASAP because they were melting. So minus some frozen pizzas, this was $350 for all of the things pictured. And we of course have lots of grains, lots of buckets of grains and oatmeals and all the things. So we've got a fully stocked pantry. We've got meat in the freezer. That's why you didn't see very much meat in this haul. We get eggs from a lady down the road, so you don't see eggs in this haul. And I haven't been eating eggs or making eggs for the kids for the last 2-3 weeks. So we need to get back into the egg situation. All right, I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me. I also got, oh yeah, I wanted to tell you guys, I ordered today my Redmond's Real Salt electrolyte drink mix because Aaron and I desperately need that, especially with my potassium being low. His potassium was low, his lipase is elevated. He's kind of going through some stuff too. It always happens, like one of us gets knocked down, the other one gets so stressed out, they also end up getting drugged down too into the depths of despair. So you said get some boron. Somebody said get some boron. We've been researching it, whatever. So we got some trace minerals, ionic boron, and taking that. So working on it, you know, trying to get healthier every single day. And like I said, I'm going to be kind of plant-based for the next future because I ate a hot dog and I think that's what gave me pancreatitis. So I'm swearing off most meats. I have had salmon with success. I have had chicken with success. So salmon and chicken are kind of my jam. And then beans, legumes, things like that. I'm going to start incorporating things more, but I'm still on a primarily liquid diet because every time I eat solids, I'm still having discomfort and pain. So primarily, I eat about 1 solid meal and it's not very much food because my belly's kind of shrunk and it's very tender. So I don't eat that much solid foods. And it takes me a full 24 hours to feel well enough to give solid foods a try again. So I should probably just stay on the liquid diet. That's what I'm getting ready to do right now. I just got home from grocery shopping. I'm going to pound one of these Ensure Complete things because it's the easiest. And then my girlfriend gave me, my girl that's a friend, gave me Shakeology, and I have been drinking a Shakeology every day and 1 or 2 of these Ensures every day, as well as like cream of wheat, and today I had oatmeal and soups and broths and rice didn't bother me too bad with the salmon and the overcooked vegetables. That was good. But still just taking it easy. Thanks for hanging out with me and checking out this grocery haul, and I will see you in the next video.